ZONE, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards, am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this very brief short 1-minute video. As the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially zone. I'm not just saying this just to crap on it, you know, honestly, why would I? But yeah, it went up 30%, but pump and dumps are nothing new here. You know, I know he gapped up here, whatever. This is kind of crazy, but to say the least, when I have an environment like that, most of the times it pumps and dumps, right? Post-market, it's even crazier. We can count this as a potential demand zone. And honestly, it would all matter to like tomorrow. Tomorrow will matter a ton, because if I do see potential shifts here, yeah, then sure, why the heck not? Try with the long side, but it will all be just like a waiting game here, honestly. Like when an environment like this is taking place, I just kind of put on the brakes, honestly. Like there's a far better tickers to follow other than just trying to force movements here. So I'm just saying that's my 2 cents. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.